Are you wondering how jump rope for 10 minutes a day can better your life? When was the last time you used a jump or skipping rope? Was it in your PE class? You'll be amazed by the fact that 10 minutes of jump rope per day can achieve the equivalent cardiovascular benefits to that of 30 minutes jogging. Studies have shown that including 10 minutes of jump rope a day has helped many to enhance their coordination, balance, and power levels. It can also help improve your overall well-being. If you're still not convinced, let's compare 10 minutes of jump rope versus 30 minutes of running. Jump rope can burn 720 calories per hour, which is the same as running at a 6-mile pace. In skipping rope, you can burn more than 720 calories, but by increasing its intensity, you can burn up to 1,000 calories per hour. A boxer can do 300 RMP of jump rope. So, these are the amazing benefits of skipping rope. Number 1, builds muscle. Skipping a rope can shape quite a few muscle groups. There are so many strength training workouts that forget to target the calves, for example. In a 10-minute jump rope exercise, these are the primary muscles required. So this exercise will naturally work them and give you killer calves you may desire. Number 2, burns calories. Were you aware that an average person with a medium fitness level can roughly jump up to 70 times per minute? This alone would burn about 15 to 20 calories. A good 10-minute skip can burn up to 150 to 200 calories. Based on this fact alone, isn't skipping an awesome way to burning calories? If you have been a sincere runner for a while, our next fact may make you convert to jump rope instead. Number 3, improves coordination and balance. We have always associated jump rope with children, but there are just so many athletes, especially boxers, using this exercise to stay agile. Skipping is a multidimensional exercise. In a 10-minute skip, a lot goes on, even if your brain is not paying attention to those actual movements. Start with the basic jump, and once you progress and get past the stage of maintaining rhythm, things may look and feel pretty easy. All the while, it will require effort from so many parts of your body. Number 4, improve your heart health. Just 10 minutes jump rope every day is exceptionally good for your heart, mainly to keep it pumping as it should. But to get the real benefits, you need to work smarter rather than harder. Number 5, helps with weight loss. If, like me, I bet you never thought jump rope could be the answer to those tight clothes that no longer fit you comfortably. Completing just 10 minutes jump rope per day can be a complete exercise in itself. It can raise your heart rate and give you quick weight loss results in comparison to weight training. The combined efforts of calorie burning and fat loss give you some help shedding those extra pounds. Number 6, improves bone density. Most sports activities that exert mild force on the bones can promote excellent growth and increase their strength. Jumping rope is one such activity. This is so important as your age and your bones start getting weaker. People with weak bones or osteoporosis should especially try this form of exercise. That might sound paradoxical, but surprisingly, jump rope exerts mild to moderate pressure on these bones to strengthen them from within. Number 7, improves skin quality. The benefits of a jump rope extend beyond the physical aspects. 10 minutes of jump rope is a terrific mood elevator. It can quickly pull you out of your anxiety, depression, and other mental disorders. The reason for this is due to a feel-good hormone called serotonin that is secreted within your brain. Regular physical activity, like jumping rope, can give you good quality sleep, increase mental sharpness, increase your productivity at work, and leave you with a greater ability to cope with stress. To wrap it up, 10 minutes of jump rope a day can make your life much better, as it will make you healthier and stronger mentally and physically. You can burn 150 to 200 calories in 10 minutes of skipping per day with an average weight and intensity. If you like our video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Here are 2 more videos on the screen you should check out. They will help you achieve your health and fitness goals. See you in our next video!